Hey Coffin girls, welcome back to the channel. I wanted to do a quick review that ended up not being so quick over this cute little panda light that I got on Aliexpress. Aliexpress is a little Asian website that you can get tons of cute nail supplies at. If you haven't ever looked it up, then I will place a link in the description. And this is, I got two of these, and they are super cute. And I did a test on them. I was kind of freaking out because I used them on my daughter's nails, and I don't know if maybe she just wasn't leaving her nails in long enough. But it just was not curing her nails. So I decided I'm gonna do a video on it and see if it works for me. And so this is the video, and let's see what happens, guys. Inside my own world of make-believe. Oh yeah, and if you go to my Instagram and you like my pictures and comment, then whenever I do videos, I'm gonna do a shout out on my videos of someone's comment on my Instagram. So this video shout out goes to Gemini Kaylee. She commented on one of my videos and said awesome nails, and thank you so much for being subscribed, and thank you so much for watching my videos and loving my Instagram, and I love you so much. Thank you guys. So enjoy the video. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. So I wanted to do two different gels, that way I could see the result with two different gels. So that's why I have two different brands here. One brand is my usual D&D, the other brand is Angel Lac, and I'm very new to Angel Lac. It was extremely price friendly. And so I am just kind of testing it out right now for overall just gel in general, and to see if my lamp will cure it. I wanna taste your content, hold your breath and feel the tension. Devils hide behind redemption. Honesty is a one-way gate to hell. I wanna taste consumption, breathe faster to waste oxygen. Hear the children sing aloud. It's music till the wick burns out. Just wanna be carefree lately, yeah. Just picking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the four-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep. So this little tidbit came out perfect. So I don't know what I did with my daughters, but apparently maybe we weren't cooking long enough or something. It has a setting for 60 seconds, 90 seconds, and 120 seconds. I maybe we just weren't letting it roll long enough, but it does work. So then I got this bright idea to let's try it with some builder gel and see about embedding a couple things with builder gel and just kind of see how it goes. So here is round 2.
Invincible.
So the cool part is, even with putting this builder gel super thick on here, like, I mean, I kind of put it on there pretty thick, it still cured perfect in this lamp. Again, I don't know what I did wrong the first go around, but thank goodness I did it wrong, because I was really heartbroken about this lamp not working for me, but it actually works fine. So what I'm going to do is put the link in the description box. I want to say that the lamp was like maybe $8. And it is the cutest little guy. And it's actually nice in size as well, so you can fit a whole hand in there. And thank you guys for joining me. I absolutely love doing this stuff. I like testing things out. If there's anything you want me to test out, please tell me below in the comments. Be sure and click like and subscribe, and love you guys. See you later, Coffin Girls.